Hi, I'm Sarah from You Floral, and I'm going to talk to you guys today about eryngium. So this one in particular is the variety called planum or planum. For all you guys who pay attention to my pronunciation, I'm not sure how to say it. Planum. So there's a bunch of different varieties of eryngium, and this is just one stem, and it has all of these branching pieces off of it and really big cone heads. So some eryngium doesn't have such big cones as this, but this one definitely does. So this is great to use in DIY bouquets because eryngium lasts a super long time. It's super hardy, it's fine without water. It's got a thistle type look, but it's not prickly at all. And I really love it because it's got a blue tinge. So in nature, it's super hard to find flowers that are naturally blue. So eryngium is one that I definitely reach for when I'm looking to add some blue in my bouquets. I also obviously use it in wildflower type bouquets because it's got this really great thistle type look. So if I was using this in a bouquet, this would obviously be like crazy overwhelming if I had this much thistle in it. So what I would do if I was using this, I'd pull off almost all probably of these side shoots, maybe even a couple of these top ones, so that I had just a little bit of eryngium to work with. And then all these side ones I would then use in bud vases. I'd use them definitely in boutonnieres, fantastic for boutonnieres, or just in little mini bundles around, because yeah, nobody wants like this much eryngium in a bouquet. So that's a couple things that I know about eryngium. And if you're looking for it in bulk to save money, consider getting it from You Floral. We ship all across Canada and the US. Thanks for watching.